Holy shit! Tencent's new AI just dropped and it's wild. It's called HunyuanCustom, and it can turn a photo, voice, or video prompt into fully edited, cinematic video clips. Yes, you can literally swap people, props, voices, or entire characters in a video, and it looks real. This AI uses multimodal input, text, image, audio, and video. You give it a reference photo and a short video, it keeps the subject's identity consistent and builds the whole thing frame by frame. It even supports voice-driven animation and object replacement. Here are 10 things you can do with it right now. Swap a boy playing basketball with avatar playing basketball. Generate a full story of a girl's day. Breakfast, subway, desk, walking a dog, sleeping. Combine a girl plus a tiger, girl sitting on a tiger. Make someone speak or sing with audio-only input. Replace a backpack in any clip with a custom one. Same daily story, but with a different person. Add a presenter by the pool holding chips. Sync voice to facial expressions with scary accuracy. Replace magician's hat in a video using just one photo. Swap teddy bears in a video. Yes, even toys are editable now. All of this is real, and no, it's not deepfake. It's controllable, modular, and fully AI generated. This AI isn't just for fun. It's ready for ads, virtual try-ons, video editing, singing avatars, and full brand content pipelines. If you're a creator, brand, or dev, this tool can swap faces, voices, props, and settings instantly. Try it, build with it, or just watch your mind melt. And if this blew your mind, like the video, share it with your team, and subscribe for more insane AI drops every single week. The future of video isn't recorded, it's generated.